Hey guys, so I don't know why it's so dark, but I had to come on real quick because I just finished having dinner with the fam and I wanted dessert, but I wanted to drink it instead. And I'm going to make this cocktail on the page and I'm doing, hear me out, eggnog for fall. Let's get into it. That's it. So I'm going to first start off. Wait a minute. I don't think I was supposed to put it in the fridge. Mix it up. Let's see. Okay. Note to self, don't put eggnog in the fridge. Smells good, tastes good. And then we're going to do some rum chata for that cinnamon. And then I'm going to do a little bit of pumpkin spice syrup. The recipe, pumpkin spice syrup. Doesn't matter if you make your own or you get it from the store, whatever it is. Yeah, it'll work. Let's see. Shake it up. I'm kind of scared. I don't know why the eggnog looked like that. Does anybody know if you're supposed to put eggnog in the fridge or not? Because someone's telling me I should have done that. Let's shake it up some more. All right. So I'm not putting it over ice. Here we go. You know what I'm missing? Cinnamon. Give me a second. Cinnamon stick would work. Oh, here we go. Wouldn't be dessert if it didn't have whipped cream. Ready, guys? Okay. And a cinnamon stick. If it's in the stores for fall, when in Rome. You know what? Here we go.
So we need to tell them what we're doing. We're going to be selling lemonade, $1.
Okay.
Right here.
Yeah. You guys, get some pumpkin spice. Let go. Buy the eggnog now. And grab some rum chata. Mix it all together. And have your fall eggnog. Let's start this. So good. That's all I wanted to do. Just wanted to come on here real quick because I had a craving for this. And I said, you know what do I have in my kitchen? I made it. Just wanted to go live and show it to you guys. Follow me and I will put the recipe in another video. I'll see you later, guys.